Hi, Nico. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Can you say please? Are you going to take your temperature? Mama's taking a movie. Hi. Can you take your temperature? How do you take your temperature? That's right. That's how you take your temperature. You give Mama a kiss? Mama a kiss? You can get up, up, up. Oh, oh, thank you. Yeah, your clothes. Let's go find your socks. Where are your socks? Yeah, go get some socks. Go get some socks. Go get some socks. Good job. Thank you. Let's put on your socks. How about some clothes? Do you want to put a shirt on? No, we only need one sock. We only need one sock. No, thank you. Okay, can you close it? Close the drawer. Thank you. Go get a shirt? Yeah, which shirt do you want to wear? Let's see. Should we wear this one? Alright, thank you. You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye.